Have you noticed that your car insurance keeps getting more expensive, even if you've never had an accident? You're not alone. Over the past few years, millions of drivers have seen their premiums rise, leaving many wondering what changed. So, why is car insurance becoming so expensive? The simple answer is that it's not just one thing. It's a combination of higher repair costs, more expensive technology, inflation, and the way insurance companies now assess risk. Let's start with modern cars. Cars today are packed with technology. Features like parking sensors, cameras, radar systems, and advanced safety technology make driving safer. But they also make repairs much more expensive. A small bump that might have cost a few £100s to repair 10 years ago can now cost thousands because damaged sensors and cameras often need to be replaced and recalibrated. Then there's inflation. The price of car parts, labor, and even courtesy cars has increased significantly. When repair costs go up, insurance companies pay out more money, and those extra costs are often passed on to customers through higher premiums. Car theft is another reason. In many places, vehicle theft has increased, especially for certain models. The more claims insurance companies have to pay, the more they charge everyone to cover those losses. But there is another factor many people don't realize. Some insurance companies now offer what's called telematics, also known as black box insurance. These programs collect information about how you drive. Things like how hard you brake, how quickly you accelerate, what time you usually drive, and sometimes even how many miles you travel. The idea is simple. If you drive safely, you may qualify for lower insurance premiums. But if the data suggests you take more risks, you could end up paying more. It's important to know that not every insurance company uses this information in the same way. Many insurers still calculate prices using traditional factors like your age, where you live, your driving history, the type of car you own, and how many miles you drive each year. So, while driving data is becoming more common, it is only one piece of the puzzle. Can you stop your insurance from going up? Not completely. But there are a few things you can do. Shop around before renewing your policy. Different insurers calculate risk differently, so prices can vary a lot. Choose a car that is cheaper to insure if you're buying a new vehicle. Drive safely and avoid making unnecessary claims if possible. And if you're considering a telematics policy, make sure you understand exactly what data is being collected and how it could affect your premium. Car insurance isn't becoming more expensive because of one secret reason. It's the result of rising repair costs, inflation, changing technology, increasing claims, and new ways of assessing risk. Understanding these factors won't stop prices from rising overnight, but it can help you make smarter decisions and potentially save money the next time your policy is up for renewal.